Hey guys, here is Azizullah Muradi from MCCS Consultancy and Coaching YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you the first part of the tutorial on how to make computer run faster. I'm confident the tips will help you well. Keep watching and learn all the tips precisely.
MCCS, transforming experience, presenting opportunities.
Tip number 1. Keep your Windows up to date. How often should you update your Windows? Update Windows on a weekly basis. Updates on Windows 10 happens automatically, but depending on the updates, they don't install as soon as they are available. If you're dealing with the performance problems, your device may be missing some updates. To install updates manually on Windows 10, you need to go to Start, Settings, Update and Security. You will see this Windows Update page. You simply click on Check for Updates button. Then the Windows Updater starts checking for updates. After you complete the setups, the new update should help to improve system performance. Always keep an eye on the Windows update regularly. This action optimizes Windows for best performance and improves security. Do it on weekly basis. You see here the Windows updates on my computer says you're up to date. It means I have already installed the updates on my computer. In case the Windows Updater finds Windows updates for you, there will be an option saying that download and install the updates. You simply click on download and install updates. Sometimes it asks you to restore the computer. Just restore the computer, then you're done. Tip number 2. Update device drivers. What are drivers? Drivers are computer programs that let Windows and your other applications interact with a hardware device. Should you update all drivers? No. If everything on your PC is working just fine, you can skip the driver updates. How often should you update the device drivers? Update the drivers when you need to update them. A lot of times manufacturers will make available stable or pre-released versions of device driver to improve performance through their support website before it is published through Windows Update. If your device is running slow as a result of compatibility issue or poorly designed driver, you may be able to resolve this problem by updating the device driver manually. So how to update the drivers? Simply go to Start Search, write Device Manager and click on the top result to open the app. Expand the branch for device you want to update. Right click on the device and select the Update Driver option. Click on Browse My Computer for driver software. Here, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here make sure the compatible hardware is checked. Leave the model as auto-selected. Just click on Next. Click on Close. Sometimes when you update a driver, it asks you to restore the computer. For example, let's check one more device. I click on Cameras. Right click. Update driver. Browse my computer for driver software. Let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. Here I make sure it is checked. Click on Next. Click on Close. Here you see it asks you, do you want to restore your computer now? You either click on Yes or click on No and update the device drivers that you want to update them. And lastly, you can restore your computer. After you complete the steps, the new version of the driver will install to address compatibility or any other issues impacting system performance. Tip number 3. Update apps. Outdated apps can also cause your device to run slower, and usually this is due to bugs or compatibility problems with a new version of Windows 10, while apps you install from the Microsoft Store will update automatically. But many traditional desktop apps need to be updated manually, such as Adobe Photoshop, Viber Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger, MS Office applications, AutoCAD, media players, dictionaries, and etc. So whenever you see a new version update is available for any app, you have to immediately update that app for better performance of Windows computer. Tip number 4. Restore previous working state. What does it mean? Sometimes recently installed updates, drivers or apps may be the reason why your computer is running slow. If this is your case, you can quickly undo changes to improve performance by going back to a previous good working state using a system restore point. How to do it? Open the Start search, search for create a restore point, and click the stop result to open the System Properties app. Once you are here, click the System Restore button, click on Next. This is the automatic restore point that I have on my computer, that is 4/30/2020 at 6 p.m. Here, if your computer has more than one saved restore points, you have to select the most recent working restore point that will help you to fix the current problem. In case your computer didn't save any restore point automatically, because you might have turned off the system protection, I will show you later how to create system restore point manually, and I will also show you how to turn on the system protection. For now, let's learn how to use a saved restore point here. So if I want to go back to this state of my computer, I click on Next, and then I click on Finish, and I will be done. But before you click on Finish, it should be noted that using a restore point won't delete your files, but it will remove system changes, updates, drivers, and applications that were installed after the restore point was created. If you want to know which system changes, updates, drivers, or applications are removed, you can click on Back button, select the restore point, and then click on the Scan for Affected Programs button. Here is the list of affected programs which may be either available and work or may be removed and need to be reinstalled. Click on the Close button, then Next, and lastly Finish. Once you complete the steps, your computer will go back in time to a previous state where it was running at its optimal performance. Sometimes system restore is disabled by default. As such, you must set it up before you can revert system changes. So let's learn how to create a new system restore point. Go to Start Search, write Create. As you write Create, the system restore will be showing on the top result. Click on it. So on the same tab of System Protection, System Restore, there is a Create button which says create a restore point right now for the drives that have System Protection turned on. So make sure here local disk C is selected where your Windows is installed. Then come here, click on Create. Here it asks you type of description to help you identify the store point. The current date and time are added automatically. So here I write when I installed Skype. When I installed Skype, so this is the restore point that I want to create it. So click on Create, System Protection, creating a restore point. It takes a little time. So the restore point was created successfully. Click on close. Now if you want to see, click on system restore. Next, you see here, this is the new restore point that I have created when I installed Skype. Okay, now let's learn how to set the system protection on to save the restore point automatically. Go to start search, write create, select create a restore point. Here you go to configure, make sure turn on system protection is checked. If you want to delete all the restore points you have created or auto created, you can click on delete. There will be a message. You will not be able to undo unwanted system changes on this drive. Are you sure you want to continue? So if you want to delete them, then you have to click on continue. Guys, let's also learn the procedure of restoring the Windows. Let's do a test to see how it works. For testing how the system restore works, let's create one more restore point. I write here test, then I click create. So let's check it. So this is the restore point that I want to restore my Windows. I click on next. When I click on finish, it gives me the option. There will be a pop-up message. Once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? So if you click on yes, your computer will restart, and it takes 15 to 20 minutes to finish the process. So we click on yes. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to restore the Windows. You see here the Windows has been restored and my computer was restarted. After the restart, there will be a system restore message pop up saying that system restore completed successfully. The system has been restored to 5/10/2020. Your documents have not been affected. You click on close and you're done. Let me show you one more thing. If you want to undo the restore of the Windows, you can go back to the create restore point. Go to search, create. Here when you click on system restore, this time here there will be two options for you: undo system restore or choose a different restore point. If you click on next and do the rest of the process, then the system restore you did will be undone. Okay guys, this is what we have done with the restore point. If you have any question, write down on the comment section of this video. I will answer you. If you want to learn more tips about the Windows fast performance, check out the part 2 of the tutorial on our channel. Thanks and good luck.